A man walks into a pharmacy, his hiccups echoing through the aisles. He approaches the pharmacist, asking for a remedy to cure his persistent condition. Without missing a beat, the pharmacist reaches out and slaps the man's face. Shocked, the man exclaims, "What did you do that for?" The pharmacist, calm and collected, replies, "Well, you don't have the hiccups anymore, do you?" The man, rubbing his cheek and blinking in surprise, admits, "No, I don't." Then, with a sheepish grin, he adds, "But my wife out in the car still does.